do the wrong thing. Thank God there is a shop. So that was a short tea break in highway. What's on the highway? Yeah, highway tea point. Let's go. Come on, Goldie. So it's another 121 kilometers. So on our right side it's Arabian Sea. We can't see it. Backwaters are there. And on the left side we are going to encounter Chilika Lake, the lake which Rajendra Das had suggested us. Most probably we'll come to the lake while coming from Odisha back. We will just pass by it now. So we are near Chilika river it seems. So we can see here the Chilika river. Check it out. We can't bypass also. Chilika river it seems. What a lovely bridge. And let's stand up a bit. Okay, it goes and meets Bay of Bengal. I think it comes from this side and goes to Bay of Bengal this side. Chilika river. So we are in Ganjam district, 110 kilometers. I think we have a bypass nearby. Another 2 kilometers saying we have to take right. Maybe there is a bridge. So on the right side we have Bay of Bengal, but also the heat is not much because wind is there. A bit traffic here. Check out this Pandit. His dressing style is a bit different. So we have to go towards the ocean or what, I don't know. So this is the Asian Highway 45 it seems. Now we have to enter National Highway. Check out this lady. This is Odisha style, I think. Odisha culture. I mean the Chilika Lake is nearby somewhere. Rajendra Das was saying we will make a footage on that one also, if possible. Now we have to take a left. We have to go to Puri now. That's why this diversion, I think so. Oh, that's it. That is directly to Kolkata. Chennai Kolkata highway. That's why it's called Asian Highway. These road homes are going to kill my bombs. So below the bridge we have to take it on. Okay, let's go into National Highway 516A. Puri, 108 kilometers. Exactly, both are showing the same thing, Google and as well as this one. But how come National Highway will be so much small? If National Highway is in this condition, what about that one? I don't know. Let's see. So welcome back again to the mountains. Let's see where it is taking. We are on the coastal route only. We have to be on this highway only. It seems National Highway is a bit small. That's what. I need to check out the screws now. Should we take a break? That's what I was feeling. Some sound has been coming. My fog lamps have Goldie's left side fog lamp screw has fallen, I think. I need to screw it now. If any mechanic I find, then I'll do it. Otherwise we have to go in this way only. I don't have extra screws and nuts also. Let's see if we find any mechanic. Otherwise we will tie it with the wire. Sachin de gorra. Let's open a windshield. मैकेनिक कहाँ है? गाड़ी रिपेयर करने वाला. और कितना किलो दूर है? पालूर. ओके. स्क्रू पड़िपोయిందిరా. Be strong, Goldie. Let's repair it. We will bind a wire. I have the wire. So this screw is gone. That's why I made a simple jugaad with this wire. Let's go now and search for mechanic. Otherwise we will check it out in Puri only. Pada? But also it is shaking, but it is not falling aside. That's the main thing. That's what I felt something. That boy said some village called Pa. It starts from Pa. If possible, we will put the screw there only. Palasa something he said, I don't know. Wherever you go in Puri, you'll find the Sudarshan Chakram on the top of the temple like that. It's a Puri temple only. I mean Jagannath temple. I can't bear that sound. We'll ask anyone here. I don't think so. We don't need to ask anyone. We'll get here. Sure, that's for sure. Check out these houses. The olden days houses still persisting. After a few years from now, there will be no anything like that. Oh, check out this. A ship has been manufactured somewhat. Where do I get a mechanic, bro? The road has been blocked, I think. Mechanic कहाँ मिलेगा? Mechanic.
कौन सा मैकेनिक?
ये स्क्रू एक डालना था.
ओए सामने वाला है. वो सामने वाला.
कौन सा?
वो वाला झुपड़ी है ना.
हाँ हाँ.
वो तीर चिन्ह दे रहा है ना, उधर जाके वो गैरेज है.
हाँ 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 हाँ. ये अभी जाएगा कि नहीं?
हाँ जाएगा.
So there is a traffic jam. वो एक स्क्रू गिर गया है उसका, इसीलिए.
वो डाल देगा इधर है.
ये क्या समंदर में जा रहा है क्या?
हाँ सामने 2 किलोमीटर है.
हाँ.
फिर वो उतर जाएगा. उतर के बालू आ जाएगा.
ये शिप बनाते हैं क्या यहाँ पे? यहाँ कहीं बनाते हैं क्या?
नहीं, ये आया केरला से आया.
ओहो. Thank you. Small ship has come from Kerala, it seems. Let's go and check out this mechanic first. Here he is. Let's go here. ये एक स्क्रू उतर गया है. इधर में स्क्रू चिपके हुए हैं. उसका भी एक स्क्रू ढीला हुआ है.
बच्चा कुछ नहीं है. आगुरु जैसी बोले लानी. जैसी बोले पे कौन? हेड उले बढ़िया.
हेलमेट डालना ही डालना है क्या यहाँ पे?
अबे किचन आई है.
नहीं, मुझे नहीं, मैं तो डालूंगा. उसका
कुछ नहीं. यार कर्नाटक है.
हाँ. तुम्हें कौन सा भाषा चाहिए वो बात करते. उड़िया छोड़ती. तुम कहाँ थे कर्नाटक में? कर्नाटक में कहाँ थे?
मार्ताली, बमसंद्रा.
मार्ताली में हम थे. मेरा
वाइट बिल्ली.
मेरा मार्ताली है, उसका वो बमसंद्रा है. There is also been checked. नहीं, for 4 level नहीं है शायद. So let's go. There was a small issues and the issue is solved. The screw of mine and the screw of Vikas bikes, a mobile holder is also been repaired. So right now let's go to Puri. Thank you. Thank you, Bhaiya. Let's go now. All the problems have been solved in a small village. Sweat is drooping, but heat is not there much. This ship has come from Kerala, it seems. We had to go a bit. People are going there. They are telling to wait. He is giving way. SamudraShipyard.com. 2 feet, 4 feet, 6 feet. Why is he waiting? I don't know. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, guys. So we are out of this small village. Now 50 kilometers on the highway. We will stop. By 6 we will be there, I think. So we are out of the village. These villages are totally different. If we come in rainy season only, these all villages will be beautiful to see. Roads are nice now. So this is National Highway, 100 kilometers, and I think this all is backwaters. A small village selling fishes on the roadside. I think they are from the local lake only. Lake or backwaters, I don't know what it is. I think it's a backwater only. A small temple in a small village, Ramalanka. We are in Ramalanka. See this granny. Some of the oldest houses, old style. Ramalanka. Oh, it is called Ramalanka, don't know, but it's Ramalanka. See this old man. This was our Indian style of dressing in those days. My grandpa also used to dress in the same manner. So this highway is in between the villages only. The 42 kilometers. Can you see the whole cow cattle grazing? There are many cows, and that too only white cows. I have seen white cows, and some of them are brownish. That's it. I never seen a black cow also. Farmers doing their daily routine. Only the language is the barrier. Other than that, nothing. Same to same as we saw in Andhra Pradesh or in Karnataka. A small pond-like thing. Brahman Dio. As soon as Brahman Dio, there is a Brahman. People are in open tradition. Everyone are playing cards. In Ramlanka also they were playing cards, and here also they are playing cards. Most probably these are those guys. So we have to go slowly. until highway comes. Once the highway comes, I will shoot the speed. See here, they are playing cards. I think there is a wow. Check it out. This one. Is this Chilika Lake? I don't know. I don't think so. It's Chilika Lake. Yes, it's Chilika Lake only. So this is the lake. Rajesh Das was saying. He messaged me as he couldn't contact me. His village is in this way, in this room, nearby this one only. It seems. I don't know which village is his village. This is the biggest lake, I think. I like to explore villages, especially Indian, Odissan style. So this is all Chilika Lake only. There are boats of tortoises. I can't understand the language, but I can understand that there are tortoises in this one. Turtles. No, tortoises, turtles. Pitisal. Some pitisal. Somewhat I feel like Kerala only. Only the lungi's color changed, that's it. Other else, everything is same. Full fields only. A lady is coming from some village to the road, I think, to go to city. So by today evening we will be in Puri Jagannath. Because of him only I made this trip of traveling Puri Jagannath. I wanted to see him, but I was not interested to go in a car by any other means. I wanted to explore it by vehicle only. Check out this temple. Temples are beautifully built. See here, they are all like same like Malayadis. Because it's a summer afternoon now. Summer evening, that's why they have removed their upper garments and sitting. Wow, check out this one, lotuses. I have not seen lotuses in the sky. I mean 2 feet into the sky, towards the sky. Multi-purpose cyclone shelter, Udayagiri. Somewhat we are traveling around and side by side to the Bay of Bengal only. This side belt is totally farming land only. It's almost 4. The sun has become dim, but why? I don't know. Until we reach Puri, it should not rain, and we should have the blessings of Puri Jagannath. Very good. We have a petrol bunk here also. The whole district is considered is built considering the ocean only. And what is this? It's a river. No, it's a part of Chilika Lake only. A river-like thing. But how they have built the road on the river, I don't know. You can check out in the maps. Check out this Chilika Lake. I'll never forget about this Chilika Lake. Superb location. Kids are playing cricket there. I think many of them are fishermen only here. Fishermen and some are farmers. Another 30 kilometers. We have to be on the same road. I think no one comes in this way. I've never seen a bus also. It says it's a national highway 516A. I think this is the least used, I think so. Most probably there was another route which was connecting Puri. Maybe in that road everyone goes. Beautiful road. Absolutely beautiful road. A beautiful sightseeing also. I'll be in a swag speed. Suddenly a speed breaker comes and screws my bumps. This Chilika river, Chilika Lake, it's too big. I don't know which part to see and which part not to see. Check out this lake. There are many boats. There is another crossover of the Chilika Lake. A small crossing. Check out this one. Chilika river. Chilika Lake. There you can see some birds, white birds. What are they called? The cranes. Crane-like birds. Check out this hut. This one. The best place for staying night. And there are boats also. This side it's empty. It's dry. If we come in the rainy season, it will be full, I think. There are boats also here. Check it out. Falcon. Many falcons today, as if they are following us. Here the fellows playing cards, rummy. Welcome to another village. See this lady. She is a tribal village woman only. Yeah, there is a tribe, I think. I saw two women. See here how they are enjoying. These are the fishing nets. I can see some fishing nets also. The Puri culture has started. This is Mahadev's temple. I think Trishul is there. Maybe Mahadev or Kalika Mata. Maybe. He is saluting me as if I am a army officer. Check out this one. It's absolutely frame-like thing. Lakes on both sides. Plenty of water is there. Love for riders is actually awesome. Everything in Odisha, Odia language only. Another village. Surely I will get this rummy boys again. Rummy boys playing rummy in rummy circle. Excuse me, lady. They are not playing, they are sitting just chatting. What is this? They are cleaning the lake, I think. Is it a lake or a... What are they doing? I think it's cleaning or what, I don't know. They are using buffaloes. Here I think some water, fresh water is there. Yes, it's a fresh water only. Another 20 kilometers